Enkuyanja y'abantu erizuba bayirundanira hacaye cyariyongwa boma ground zo mutawuna kanse ya Obongi omuri district ya Obongi hamwe na hacaye cya Serekrior omuri Moyo okutangira President Yoweri Museveni arikuronda akaruhuko bwa President. President Museveni yagambira aba Obongi ngwatwire namanye bizube biri kubateganisa kandi ngwakasharamo na no kugihindura district okugira ngo ekatungo buhereza.
So that's why I'm appealing to all concerned, please let us in the coming government, let us stop school fees in government schools.
Eta batoa roa ni oba cheki kole aricho andraga ya to andraga school fees kolu yo.
The rich people can take their children to the private schools, no problem.
Museveni yaraganso kwarukuza kombekirwa rya district omuri Obongi kandi nagira ngo buhereza bw'ibyamagaro mu cangeki bukeyongera abantu hatana bajemesa abana babo hamwe na n'ubundo buhereza.
Obongi will no longer be isolated. But the solving this isolation started long ago. But because we soldiers say kusogerea, 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 kusogerea.
Ama askari area tiga yo akole di bako ataga kwa.
How do you say it in Gimara? Tukusogerea.
President Museveni nagira ngo nane sente zo gukora amashanyarazi government zine kandi naija gakora kubara amashagiki bakamuhetsanje kindi.
But we have two dates.
Moria samairu area Obongi.
Two dates with Obongi.
Morieri.
One is electricity.
Morina balone ati electricity.
The Obongi is the only district in Uganda together with Buvuma.
Ado seko anyi Obongi ba anyi Buvuma ronya tro Uganda tutu district miya lo mudina limito asika fumodiari anyi
that don't have electricity.
Ati amarili etakoro ano note.
Yaraganisa no kwarukuza kukora enguuto kandi omurigezi harumu rukuza kuterwa koransi orwa Moyo soroti orukuza kuraba Obongi kuza Ajumani mpaka Panyumar hamwe na n'izindi. Hati President Museveni nagumiza mu kuronda akaruro kwetorora ihanga kandi campaign ze naija okugaruka mu kuzikoresa nderu kwija. Ahabwa TV West and area Sertugusa.